So here, I need to step my foot over the bolster, okay? So the right foot steps over the bolster, okay? Right foot walks across to the left side. Now I use my hands onto the bolster, and first of all, most importantly, I'm going to bring the bolster closer together so my left thigh is fully supported. Then I lower my right shin to the floor. Okay, notice, I'll show that to you again. The left thigh is supported by the bolster, right? So let me start that again. You can roll the bolster towards you, right foot is on the right side. I walk the right foot across, lower my hands onto the bolster, bring the bolster closer so the left thigh is supported, then bring the hands to the floor, lower the right shin to the floor. So the left thigh now fully supports, and if you have your bricks, you can use your bricks here to support and lift as much as you want to. Okay, so we're now in our pigeon pose on the floor. Now you may want to bring that right shin a bit closer towards the bolster. So I'll take the brick away. If you want, do not use the brick. Okay, so you should be a little bit more comfortable here because that left thigh is supported by the bolster. Okay, now most of us will find it difficult because we're leaning forward. You want to lift the abdomen, lift the chest, and create the space for your thoracic spine to twist above the pelvis. Okay, so here I'm facing the front part of my room. I lift the abdomen, I lift the chest, and I twist to the left. Okay, so I've turned my chest. Now it's a question of using that right elbow to come into the right foot arch. Okay, so I lift the right arm first. I take the left hand onto my waist. We're repeating what we did. Notice my chest is now towards you. Okay, so from here, straight on, I lift it, I twist it. Once I'm twisted, then I lift my right arm, I bend the right elbow, I lean down towards my heel, my foot arch, and land that elbow into my foot arch and bring the left hand on top. And I keep on pushing the top arm into the bottom and bring the hands to the heart center. Be very challenging. Hold here, might get the shakes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the left hand, lower it onto the bolster, lift the right elbow, lower that to the floor, and release.